The Forestry Division of Great Falls Parks and Recreation has marked over 200 trees throughout various parks to be removed in the fall. The trees that are cut down will be chipped and free for the community to use for wood chips and landscaping. After the trees are removed in the fall, the stumps will also be removed at a later date. There are a variety of reasons for why these trees must be removed, including that some of them are dead or dying, and some have been taken over by the beavers. Jessica Compton, the Deputy Director of Parks and Recreation for Great Falls, explains the biggest reason for their necessary removal.
One of the big ones is called DED, it's Dutch Elm Disease, and that is going through all the elm trees throughout the city. And so trees usually, once they get it, have about a year of a lifespan left. And the problem is that it spreads through the roots. So they want to make sure they get that tree out as soon as possible so it doesn't spread to other trees in the parks, in the Boulevard District. So they're trying to get ahead of it, instead being preventative instead of reactive.